Hello, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we gonna have a mukbang, mukbang. I don't know what you call it. All up to you, but I call it a mukbang. Y'all, first time in a long time, I felt like making these. So one of my coworkers had a McGriddle, so I was like, I'm getting off, so I'm gonna get me one. So that's what I got. Yo, is it me or does the McGriddle look smaller than it did in my childhood? Or maybe it's because I was small. I don't know, but I used to get a McGriddle every week. Y'all, I got fries and a hash brown. I don't know why, but I'm gonna still eat them both. It's gonna be a quick video. I feel it. I'm gonna just leave y'all right there. Y'all like my hair? Y'all, this took 3 days. Probably because I did it myself. But usually it only takes me like a day and a half. But I did a mini this time. I never do a mini. But I kept seeing Eva Marcel. Who else? Megan Good. My YouTube fam, Alexis Gilbert. Y'all need to check her channel out. She got braids recently. And I was like, I need to get some. But y'all check her out. She is the bomb. thebomb.com. Oh, but that was the Sprite mixed with I forgot what it was mixed with, but it's like orange. My makeup actually kind of cute today. I don't know if y'all can see the blue, but I hate when I waste food. know who need to hear this, but drop him. Drop her. I don't know who need to hear it, but you heard it from me. Y'all, sorry. I just be daydreaming. Unacceptable. Y'all, I had wanted to look up this is my YouTube/art phone. This is my YouTube/art phone, y'all. It's my old phone, but I use it when I need to see pictures for my phone, when I need to see stuff like when I'm doing art projects or, you know, my reactions. So phone. But I had wanted to look up Shamar Moore's new song. I know y'all like Shamar Moore saying whatever. No, not that Shamar Moore. It's a YouTuber that I love. I watched her a few years now. But she cool for real. And tell her I sent you. If you watch her stuff, tell her I sent you because I love her. But she got a song, her intro that she made, and she made a full song because everybody was like, we need more. So here we go. I love it. Entree.
Subscribers grooving with the fellas choosing. But you know I gotta keep it moving. My ain't wanna be fluid and my selfies keep them grooving. Everybody know I keep it real, just like to laugh and chill. All my friends know the deal. Big chopping got my YouTube popping. All my day ones watching and it ain't no stopping. I'm Shamar Moore, and I'ma keep having fun to the end, through thick and thin. Kick it till I reach my goals for the win, cause I stay litty, it's a turn up, hey. I see Ray, he gets Ray, cause he an entree, put him on my plate. I stay litty, it's a turn up, hey. Just got paid, can't stay late, about to beat my face, cause tomorrow gon' stay. With a beat face, breaking neck. Even when I look a mess, I still get respect. Slide in DMs, cause you know I shoot my shot. Is this gonna be Bay or not? You responded on the spot. Is my phone number or you can give me yours? Switch, that's another high score. All these haters real salty cause I'm ready. They gon' be more season when my next video drop. I stay ready, so ain't no stalling. Hold up, that's my man Crush calling. I'm ballin', stay lit all the time. YouTube is my grind, selfies looking fine. Serving face on my dime, I'm a baller. Shot caller, text getting taller. Find me on the gram, so cute, know I stay dog. My channel, gonna take off real soon. My channel, gonna take off real soon. Cause I stay litty, it's a turn up, hey. I see Ray, he gets paid cause he an entree. Put him on my plate. I stay litty, it's a turn up, hey. Just got paid, can't stay late, about to beat my face. Cause tomorrow gon' slay.
Hey, I see Shamar. Look at it slaying. Hey, and that's Shamar Moore, 2 O's in the middle. Hey, do y'all like candy yams? That's a real question. Think about it.
Okay, Shamar.
Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend.
I'm so happy
I see Shamar.
that she made a real
Eat your
song.
butter popcorn. Everything will be alright.
Because I swear everybody's been asking. But y'all check her channel out. I love her.
Getting a degree can be super expensive. That's why independent...
Because he an entree. I ain't gonna hold you. I started paying attention to her when she did the big chop. And I was like, she looked like a younger version of my grandmother. And then when I saw like pictures of her, and then as it went on, when she started growing her hair out, I was like, that looked like my grandmother. And then her daughter looked like my mother. Like, I still need to get the photo. But y'all check her channel out. Tell her I sent you. It's good. I love hash browns. Love these. Looks so crisp, don't it? So y'all, I'm gonna dye my y'all, I am making a wig. I'm gonna post that video soon. If not this week, next week. But yeah, I'm making a wig. I'm not gonna tell y'all the color yet. But I want to do one of those videos where, you know, they got the bucket and then they do all the, you know, to the hair or whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'll do that tomorrow because I don't have to work the next day. Because, yeah. But I want to do something. I want to practice before I do my hair for my birthday because I want to look cute for this year. You know, it's my Jordan year. So, I want to practice before I do my wig or whatever for my birthday, which is in March. That was good. So that is it for my mukbang. If y'all want to see more, let me know in the comments below. I might start a playlist because I have done mukbangs in the past and they've done really good, but I've never been consistent with them, so I might do some more. But yeah, I don't know, man. I think I need a thumbnail. My hair was perfect and everything. Hold up. That was mean. Oh well. Y'all, I'm gonna do that white people challenge. So that's probably gonna be after this video. You know, the one when they're freaking out. But yeah, stay tuned for that. But yeah, like, comment, hug that red button, subscribe to the girl, post notifications, all that. But yeah.